Hello, I'm here with a 2006 Toyota Avalon 3.5 liter engine. There's a noise coming from the serpentine system and it overheated. But there's a wrench in here. So it overheated, and I'm checking the water pump. I'm thinking it's the water pump, one of the belts. I'm gonna try and start it again and see if it still has that rattling problem since I removed the wrench. If so, it's possible it could be the water pump. Down there. That's wrong with the engine. Okay, that noise appears to be coming from the water pump. So I'll be replacing the water pump on this 3.5 Toyota engine in a 2006 Toyota Avalon. First thing I'm gonna need to do is jack up the car, remove the passenger front wheel, and drain the coolant. There we go. Okay, this right there is the drain plug for it. So I already removed the engine cover to access the components easier. Okay, I got the car lifted. The fluid is draining, supported by jack stands. I got the jack underneath the engine with the block of wood to protect the oil pan. So we'll have to take the two engine mounts off. This one right here and the one up top. But first I have to take off this shield. Okay, this gives me access to the serpentine system. Next thing to do would be to take off the belt, but I'm gonna get these water pump bolts off or loosen first. This tensioner right here is the one you have to turn. Looks like you have to turn it, pull it this way to get the belt off. So first I'm going to loosen these. They look like they take about a 13 millimeter nut, wrench to get these off. And then use maybe like a 15 millimeter to work the tensioner. Okay, so what I discovered here is the pulley here, this idler pulley is destroyed. So good it's not the water pump. That saves a lot of time and labor. So I'll be replacing the idler pulley, which is just this bolt here, probably a 14 millimeter. Take that off and I'll bolt it back on. The tensioner was a 14 millimeter bolt too. And just for the record, the water pump bolts were 12 millimeter bolts. 12 millimeter wrenches for those bolts. Okay. There's the idler pulley there. I already got the belt on, as you can see. The serpentine belt goes underneath and over the water pump. The power steering pump idler pulley is another idler up there, like that. Kind of the AC unit. And it should stop the noise. I had to tighten down the water pump bolts because before I thought the water pump was malfunctioning. But everything's been tightened down. I'll put this cover on. It goes right here. These two 10 millimeter bolts. You take a 10 millimeter wrench to take them off. This one broke, so I'm gonna do a twist tie, put it on here, and get ready to start it. So it was the idler pulley that was causing the noise all the time. Couldn't see it without getting into the engine. But that was a kind of easy fix in troubleshooting the serpentine belt system noise on this 2006 Toyota Avalon 3.5 liter engine V6. Thanks for watching.